Welcome. Learning the Arabic alphabet might seem intimidating at first. It looks different. It reads from right to left and it has unique sounds. But what if I told you it's actually incredible, logical, and easy to master? Today, we are going to learn all 28 Arabic letters in a visual, smooth, and fun way. For every letter, I'll give you the sound it makes and an easy word to remember it by. Ready? Let's begin. Alif. Alif makes the A sound like in Asad. Asad, lion. Ba. Ba makes the B sound like in Bab. Bab, Dar. Ta. Ta makes the T sound like in Taj. Taj, crown. Tha. Tha make a soft Th sound like in think, as in Thawb. Thawb, garment. Jim. Jim makes the G sound like in Jamal. Jamal, camel. Ha. Ha. This is a crisp, breathy H like in Halib. Halib, milk. Khaa. Khaa. This comes from the back of the throat, like the Spanish G, as in khubz. Khubz, bread. Daal. Daal makes the D sound like in deek. Deek, roaster. Dhal. Dhal, a soft th sound like in that, as in dhahab. Dhahab, gold. Ra. Ra, a rolled R sound like in risala. Risala, message. Zai. Zai makes the Z sound like in Zahra. Zahra, flower. Sin. Sin makes the S sound like in Samaka. Samaka, fish. Sheen. Sheen makes the sh sound like in Shams. Shams, sun. Sad. Sad, a deep heavy S sound like in Sabr. Sabr, patience. Dhaad. Dhaad, a deep heavy D sound like in Daif. Daif, guest. So you are doing great so far, halfway there. Now, if you are a non-native speaker, especially a Muslim looking to connect deeply with your faith, read the Quran or understand your daily prayers, learning these letters is your very first step. But traditional learning can be, well, boring. That's why we created ArabiUp. ArabiUp is a brand new platform designed to teach you the Arabic language in a modern, interactive, and genuinely fun way. We focus on making the language accessible using smooth visuals and bit-sized lessons that fit right into your day. If you want to take your Arabic to the next level, click the link in the description to join ArabiUp today. Alright, let's finish the alphabet. Ta. Ta, a deep heavy T sound like in طير. طير, bird. Dha. Dha, a deep heavy th sound like in ظل. ظل, shadow. عين عين. This is a unique throat sound. Let's practice it together. عين عين, like in عسل. عسل, honey. غين غين, sounds like gargling, like in غيمة. غيمة, cloud. فاء فاء, makes the F sound, like in feel. Feel, elephant. قاف قاف, a deep K sound from the very back of the throat, like in قمر. قمر, moon. كاف كاف, a normal K sound, like in كتاب. كتاب, book. لام لام, makes the L sound, like in ليمون. ليمون, lemon. ميم ميم, makes the M sound, like in مسجد. مسجد, mosque. نون نون, makes the N sound, like in نور. نور, light. هاء هاء, a soft H sound coming from the chest, like in هلال. هلال, crescent moon. واو واو, makes the W sound, like in وردة. وردة, rose. ياء ياء, makes the Y sound, like in يد. يد, hand. And there you have it, all 28 letters of Arabic alphabet. Watch this video a few times to get comfortable with the sound. Once you know these letters, you have the keys to unlock the entire Arabic language. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smooth Arabic lessons, and visit ArabiUp.com to start your journey today. See you in the next lesson.